Capacitor Discharge Spot Welding Machine is designed for fast and precise sheet metal welding applications. This four-head welding system is specially developed for thin sheet metal housings, enabling simultaneous corner welding with high efficiency and accurate results. Using advanced capacitor discharge technology, the machine stores electrical energy and releases a high current pulse, instantly creating strong and stable weld joints. It is suitable for welding mild steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, aluminum, copper, and other metal components. With adjustable welding current, pressure, and discharge time, it provides flexible solutions for different production needs. Featuring low energy consumption, minimal heat impact, and excellent welding consistency, this machine is widely used in automotive, sheet metal, and precision manufacturing industries.